Hello, welcome to this week's video newsletter. The week started with a great assembly from the Mary Poppins cast. We had Bessy, Imogene, Lincoln, Lucy, Grace and Wilbur all performing in front of the whole school one of the numbers from Mary Poppins, which is coming up, of course, later this term. Tickets are on sale. Do please go online and book those and come along and see an amazing show. We also on Tuesday had our careers fair here at the school. Lots of exhibitors from all sorts of careers, professions, industries came and met with all of the students from year 7 right up to year 13. Lots of parents came along as well. Thank you for your support. And I hope that's inspired a lot of people to start thinking about their careers. Year 9 parents were here last night. It was really lovely to see all of you here, talking to the teachers, getting the feedback about your children's progress, and of course thinking about the options which are coming up, and those forms are due in a couple of weeks' time. Sport this week has been frenetic as ever. We've had the senior football team. They lost their game against Yeovil, a very strong team. Zach was the player of the match there. Our under 14 boys came second against a very strong Trinity game, 4-1, but it was a great game, really, really close, despite the scoreline of 4-1, but really well played to everybody there. The under 11 netball team, the girls won their B netball tournament last year. It was a tremendous event and great to see the future of netball at the school looking stronger and stronger. The under 18s and under 16s, they won one, lost one against Shedbeer. Carenza and Lily were the players of the matches in those. Last weekend, our judoka were at the Welsh Open. We had 7 golds, 1 silver, 2 bronzes. David, Otis, Louis, Austin, Willow, Mia and Connie all came away winners in that tournament. Good luck to all of you at the Midlands Open this weekend. Our rugby girls team beat Shedbeer on Tuesday in a fantastic game, played in the mud and in great spirit. And our rugby senior team, they went away to Devon Schools tournament at Mount Kelly, and they beat Truro and Mount Kelly in the semi-final and final to come away with the Shield trophy here, which I have, and that was going to go take pride of place on our trophy cabinet behind me. Sadly, the schools, the ISA schools cross country had to be postponed yesterday because of the weather, and sadly we've had to postpone the Devon schools finals cross country this weekend, which were due to take place at Kingsley. Some great news, however, on cross country. Henry has now been selected to represent Devon in the inter-counties national finals in March later this term, so really looking forward to seeing the success there, and we hope to get those dates reconfirmed in the diary soon. This weekend, busy weekend as ever. Our gymnasts are in action here in the sports hall at the Milano Southwest tournament. Our judoka are back in action up in the Midlands. We have swell chasers out on the water this weekend for the Surf Academy, rehearsals for Mary Poppins this weekend, and our boarders, they're going to a roller disco, dinners, and they've got rock climbing this weekend. Have a great week. Speak to you soon.